Software project management. The topic is earned value analysis. Definition. Earned value analysis is a method of performance measurement. Earned value integrates cost, schedule and scope and can be used for forecast future performance and project completion dates. It allows project to be managed better on time, on budget. Three quantities form the basis for cost performance measurement using earned value management. They are budgeted cost of work scheduled or planned value, budgeted cost of work performed or earned value, and actual cost of work performed or actual cost. The above quantities are defined below. Budgeted cost of work scheduled or planned value. The sum of budgets for all work packages scheduled to be accomplished within their given time period. Budgeted cost of work performed or earned value. The sum of budgets for completed work packages and completed portions of open work packages. Actual cost of work performed or actual cost. The actual cost incurred in accomplishing the work performed within a given time period. For equitable comparison, ACWP is only recorded for the work performed to date against tasks for which the BCWP is also reported. Baseline budget. Aggregating the estimated cost of the individual scheduled activities to establish a total cost baseline for measuring and budgeting the project. Inputs, WPS, activity cost estimate, project schedule, resource calendar, contracts, cost management plan. Tools and techniques, cost aggregation, reserve analysis, parametric estimating, adjustment to the aggregate cost, funding limit, reconciliation. Output, cost baseline, expected cash flow, funding requirements. Additional terms are defined to record cost and schedule performance and program budget. Schedule variance, SV, the difference between the work actually performed and the work scheduled. The schedule variance is calculated in terms of the difference in dollar value between the amount of work that should have been completed in a given time period and the work actually completed. Cost variance, the difference between the planned cost of work performed and actual cost of incurred for the work ACWP. This is the actual dollar value by which a project is either overrunning or underrunning its estimated cost. Two performance ratios. Cost Performance Index (CPI), the ratio of cost of work performed to actual cost. CPI of 1.0 implies that the actual cost matches to the estimated cost. CPI greater than 1.0 indicates work is accomplished for less cost than what planned or budgeted. CPI less than 1.0 indicates that project is facing cost overrun. Schedule Performance Index (SPI), the ratio of work accomplished BCWP versus work planned for a specific time period. SPI indicates the rate of which the project is progressing. Estimate at completion. And value management formula. So an and value tracking chart. Here the actual cost of date, the y-axis is cumulative cost and x-axis is month number. So this time now baseline budget BCWS and value BCWP schedule variance time. And value chart with revised forecasts. This is how the planned value, and value and actual cost can be tracked over the lifetime of the project. So this is a chart. It is also shows how the graph can be used to show adjustments to the final estimated cost and duration. A revised assessment of budget at completion can be produced by dividing the original estimated budget at completion by current CPI. Similarly, the forecast of the actual duration of the project can be derived by dividing the original estimated duration by SPI. Thank you.